Welcome back to Avengers of Nathan and Ethan. Today I'm designing donuts. This is a perfect family fall activity. Look inside. Some donuts, have some sprinkles. I have these for donuts. I have some sprinkles. These are names. So this tastes like carrot. This is frosting. This is chocolate, and this is strawberry, and this vanilla. The donut, because I'm making the dark chocolate one. Like they have one of this with the sprinkles on this guy. Because I choose to make the flavor. Then after add this, I'm going to add this.
Which is your favorite frosting? Chocolate?
Yeah, that's my favorite tea too.
Oh. What does it smell like?
It smells like something, I don't know. I don't know what it smells like.
Like chocolate, maybe?
It smells like, yep, it smells like that.
You have an uneven look some here, maybe? Spread some there. Just both hands. Don't be afraid to hold the donut.
I'm not being afraid. It's going to say, guys, this is like smooth. And I'm making this is like so rough. Even when I taste it, tastes good, guys. I taste it and it tastes good. It tastes so good. It tastes out of space. These are good and stuck. Don't see my favorite color. Just tastes good. Favorite color is red. Tastes good. You better try this at home because the sprinkle tastes good. I think the flavors taste good. Oh, I see a long one. That made me taste this. I think it's going to be good. These sprinkles keep going. I should try another donut because I think it's going to taste good with enough flavor, guys. I choose. You know this flavor, the strawberry flavor looks like bubblegum? It looks like bubblegum. I'm going to try this with this. And see it's going to taste good. Guys, I don't know it's going to taste good. See what it's going to taste like.
When you go in Dunkin Donuts, do you see them have the flavor mixed like that though?
No.
You're just inventing your own kind of donut?
Yes.
What are we gonna call that one?
Strawberry and chocolate.
Okay.
Because I made strawberry and chocolate. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Mmm. Tastes good. Mm. This way. Mmm. Yummy. Yum. Delicious. I hope you liked my video. Give us a big thumbs up. And please subscribe.